Hi, this is Dana from Amoracast. Today I'm going to talk about the Prong huggy setting for a pendant or an earring. Basically, it's both sided and it has a built-in bail. You can wear it this way, add a jump ring to this, or you can hook it on the other way, and that's a funky twist. Today I'm going to set a Herkimer diamond, and this is irregular. Oftentimes it's hard to do solder setting. But what you do is you fit it in, you can bend the prong settings, or you could use the side of a pair of pliers to help you along, and you form it around the stone, and there you have it. That's all done in seconds. You can use a jump ring to set it. You can also set shells and other beads, briolets.